Glass partition profile comfort installation. First, measure area dimension. Glass dimensions calculation. Fix horizontal profiles to the floor and to the ceiling. Vertical profile, cut 8 mm shorter as space between top and bottom profile and fix it to the wall. Prepare glass for installation. Put glass on the glued plastic blocks and fix bottom of the glass by foot. Second person can start with installing clamps. Tighten screws not fully for final glass positioning. Set glass to final position level if needed and tighten all screws fully. Cut and install horizontal covers from both sides. Hook on bottom part of cover first and click top part. Finish work with measuring, cutting and installation vertical covers. Just install profile with space 2 mm bigger as space between two fixed panels. 1 mm on each side is placed for end cup. Fix our assembled door frame to the floor. Cut bottom part of floor profile by door frame. Install floor profiles. Install glass to clamp profile. And fix it to the door frame with gasket from both sides. In the end, install door. Thank you for watching.